British Admiral Tony Rudockin said, Israel demonstrated the power of the F-35s, nearly incapacitating Iran's air defense capabilities and disrupting its ballistic missile production for at least a year, or without any loss. What happened in late October 2024? In late October 2024, Israel launched a large-scale attack on Iran's top-secret nuclear and military sites, marking one of the most intense operations in recent years. The operation targeted multiple facilities involved in nuclear weapons development, missile production, and air defense systems. This operation was a military feat given the scale, the capabilities of the Israeli army, and the performance of the F-35s. The IDF announced that it had hit around 20 targets, with Benjamin Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, describing the attack as precise and powerful and stating that it achieved its goals. Radar system and S-300 air defense system, Ahwaz. The IDF likely struck a Ghadir radar site approximately 15 kilometers north of Ahwaz. The Ghadir radar system, along with the Russian-made S-300, forms a crucial component of Iran's integrated air defense system. The Ghadir radar reportedly can detect ballistic missiles from up to 1,100 kilometers and aircraft from a distance of 600 kilometers. Kuhe-e Shah Nakhjir radar site, Ilam. Shah Nakhjir radar site is located in western Iran, near Kermanshah, approximately 400 kilometers from Tehran. Israeli strikes knocked out Shah Nakhjir radar site, one of the most important radar systems in Iran. Satellite imagery shows damage to a site experts describe as a radar installation. Jeremy Binney, a Middle East specialist at Janes, a defense intelligence company, stated that this may have been a newly updated radar defense system. Imam Khomeini International Airport, Tehran. The airport is situated 35 kilometers to the southwest of Tehran. Israeli strikes knocked out all of the Russian S-300 air defense systems at Imam Khomeini International Airport. The airport supplying weapons, missiles, and ammunition to proxy forces in Syria, Lebanon, and Yemen. Hazrat Amir Brigade Air Defense Site, Eslamshahr, West Tehran. The site is located in Eslamshahr, in the southwest of Tehran, approximately 25 kilometers away from the center of Tehran. The IDF struck an S-300 site near the Hazrat Amir Brigade Air Defense Site, a key defense center for the Western Tehran Ring. Local sources confirmed hearing at least 2 to 3 explosions. The defense garrison fired 4 rockets in response, though none seemed to hit any specific target. Parchin Military Complex, Tehran. The Parchin Military Complex is located southeast of Tehran, about 30 kilometers from the city center. One of Iran's largest and most sensitive defense industrial sites, is involved in the development of explosive materials, advanced munitions, drones, and missiles. It has also been linked to chemical and nuclear weapons production. Commercial satellite imagery from October 27 shows damage to at least 4 structures. Parand Military Site, Tehran. The Parand military site is located near the town of Parand, southwest of Tehran. Is situated about 35 kilometers from central Tehran. The IDF targeted the site with drones. However, there is limited publicly available information regarding the purpose of this strike. Khojir Military Complex, Tehran. The Khojir Military Complex is located in the eastern part of Tehran, approximately 20 to 25 kilometers from the city center of Tehran. The IDF destroyed 2 buildings in the Khojir complex. Khojir is tied to missile production and linked to the Parchin facility. It plays a key role in developing liquid and solid fuel missiles for the IRGC. Taksaz Company, Shamsabad Industrial City. Israel targeted the Taksaz industrial innovators, located in Shamsabad Industrial City, near Tehran. The company specializes in engineering services and manufacturing equipment, particularly for missile and drone development. Shahroud Missile Facility, east of Tehran. The Shahroud Missile Facility, located about 330 kilometers east of Tehran. Satellite imagery confirms damage to the facility. This facility is crucial in producing components for long-range missiles. Abadan Oil Refinery, Khuzestan. The Abadan Oil Refinery, Iran's largest oil refinery, located in southwestern Khuzestan, was reportedly hit by Israeli airstrikes. There were reports of damage caused by debris or malfunctioning defense systems. The New York Times cited Israeli officials who mentioned this refinery as a target. Bandar Imam Khomeini Petrochemical Complex, Khuzestan. Bandar Imam Khomeini, a port city in Khuzestan province, southwestern Iran. Industrial complex is situated along the northern coast of the Persian Gulf, about 100 kilometers southeast of Ahwaz. The IDF struck Iranian defense systems at the Bandar Imam Khomeini Petrochemical Complex. This complex is Iran's largest petrochemical compound, producing millions of tons of petroleum-based products for export annually. And the last target, Tang-eh gas field, Ilam. The Tang-eh gas field is located in Ilam province, western Iran, 70 kilometers north of Ilam city, close to the Iraqi border. The IDF targeted air defense systems at the Tang-eh gas field refinery. Following this massive operation, Israeli officials have declared that they have gained control over Iran's airspace, enabling them to attack and destroy Iran's nuclear and military facilities at will.